Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to hide sheets from certain users. First, right click on the sheet and click on Protect Sheet. Here you can set permissions. So set restrict who can edit this page and set it to only you or custom to protect there from writing. Then press done. Now changes are saved and you can close this, and in order to hide this sheet, right click and click on hide sheet. Right now you can see only the sheet 1 and the sheet 2 is hidden. You can share this document with anyone and they will not see the sheet 2, only the sheet 1. If you want to see it, click on view, show, and you should see that you could see hidden sheets 1 and show sheet 2. So right now it is right here and it's protected, so only you can write on it. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.